Hello, this is a video for Orton Gillingham OG arm tapping. This will be for right-handed students. So the idea of arm tapping goes with our high frequency words. Here are two of them. They're backwards, but we and have. I'm going to show you and model both of these. So for a right-handed student, what they would do is they would actually use their right hand to tap. Arm tapping is the practice of they get to see the word, they say the word, and they also feel the word and tapping each letter and saying the letter name. So we'll start with the word we. So they would have this on the board ideally or somewhere close to them where they could get that visual. So I'll just set it in front of me. So the word is we. They would put their right hand up in the air. This is how we start. We cross, so it's actually kind of like a beach ball. We cross, and then the right hand goes up in the air to start. We'd go we, W-E, we, W-E, we, W-E, we. All right, and the idea is, again, left to right, so that's why we start top to bottom. W-E, because it would be left to right for them to see. So again, you'd start, this is kind of our starting pose, we say. W-E, we, W-E, we, W-E, we. And again, that's kind of ingraining both the visual, the auditory, and then also the touch with saying each of those letters. So the idea is to allow students to grasp onto more with both what the letters, what the word looks like, sounds like, and spells, how it spells. So now I'll use the word have. The reason I'm using two is because when a high frequency word, or sometimes they're referred to as red words, because we haven't learned the spellings that go with these sounds yet to have those letters match those spellings. So when we have one that is more than 3 words, we have to break it. So usually we break it in half. In this case, it would be H-A-V-E. So I'll show you as I arm tap that. So it'd be have, H-A-V-E, have, H-A-V-E, have, H-A-V-E, have. And again, that is when something is more than 3 letters, we kind of have to break it into chunks as we go down our arm. But we can use these anytime. We'll sometimes put up in our morning message, we will use sentences and students will have to pick out those words and then we will arm tap them. So again, it's just becoming more familiar and being able to recognize the high frequency words. And those are the list of 3 words usually that come home each week with our program, with our reading program. All right, so again, that is for right-handed students, how we do arm tapping in the classroom.